In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add friends in Colorful Stage. Make sure to follow step by step. Adding your friends to your Colorful Stage friends list is extremely simple. You will be able to do this through the co-op menu. However, before you go ahead and you choose the option to add friends, I recommend that you find your own player ID. To find it, tap on the three dots over here at the top right corner of the screen, go over to Titles and Profile, and then access your default profile. You should be able to find player ID at the top, and it is going to be immediately copied. As you can see, it is a big string of numbers, so usually it is preferred that you copy and paste this, or you send it to whoever you want to add. So once you have this copied, you can go ahead and send it to someone else, or if someone sent you their player ID instead, all that you have to do now is go over to the co-op or friends menu like I mentioned, and by default, you should see your friends list. Just switch over to the option to add friend at the bottom here. Now, you can use the search ID function to look for someone else. Unfortunately, for this video, I don't have any other player IDs to work with, so I'm just gonna paste my own, and as you can see, my own profile is going to be displayed. But if you were typing someone else's player ID and you searched, you should find their player ID and title profile instead. At that point, you can go ahead and send a friend request and they should get a notification. So when they visit the friends list, you should be able to see the invitations here, and as soon as they accept, both of you will have each other added on your friends list. You can then manage them here, and you can repeat this process as many times as you wish. Just make sure that you search them using their ID, and once you have the pending approvals, add each other. You can now go ahead and start co-op missions and do whatever you wish. You can manage the friends list at any time. Just make sure to use the option at the right side of the screen like I mentioned. And once you add them, you will be on each other's friends list forever. I hope I was able to help you on how to add friends in Colorful Stage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.